It says at the top you've got two choices. You can either use the arrow keys to look at all the images and then the answers afterwards, or you can look at each image individually and then you can click on the image and it will actually take you to the answer. Okay, and that's the one we're going to do today. And what I want you to do, the aim of this one, is I want you to look at the image that comes up on the screen and I want you to have a think where you think that image is of and what you think that image is of. But your aim is to actually sit there and think, where could that be a picture of? If I see a big block of ice, where would ice be? Where would I see that? Okay, if I see something that's familiar to me, where have I seen that before? Write it on your whiteboard. What is it a picture of? It might be a picture of something in a place. So try and think of what you think it's a picture of. Okay, some of them are unusual. It's not the answers that matter. It's the fact that you're thinking about it. Okay, so don't just sit there, I don't know where that's a picture of. Actually get your brain in gear, put your thinking cap on and think, where could that be a picture of? What could that be a picture of? Have a good think. So have a think now, what can write on your whiteboard, so you might want to write the number 1 and you might want to think, where could this be a picture of? And remember, I'm not going to say, no, you're wrong, that's not right. You've got to think for yourself, where could that be a picture of? Why? Well, not necessarily why, but what it's a picture of, what is in the picture that you can see. So the best thing to do is write down what you see to start with, isn't it? What can you see? It's not a theme park, is it? What is it? Have a look at it and write down what you see to start with. But you hopefully got the ice on the beach bit, because that's what was in the picture, wasn't it? Okay, ice on a beach. Caroline Ellis, what have you put?
A beach.
A beach, and what have you written below it?
Ice, rocks and water.
Well done, ice, rocks and water. Okay, and the next step for you to think about then, as you get better at thinking, is to think, okay, ice, where am I going to find ice? What cold places do I know? Okay, because it's not going to be what we learned about last year, the Native Americans, is it, where it's really, really hot. Okay, you've got to think where would the ice be. Okay, Matthew, can you click on the right in the middle? It should take us back to the next image. That's your next image. Okay, look at it, study it. Okay. What do you know that will give off steam like that? It could be by rocks, it could be a hot place. What do you know of? Okay.
Oh, yeah.